Hi, welcome back to another episode of Kotlin Bootcamp for programmers. In this episode, I'm going to show you the scope function, especially the width. What is width scope function? Width is a non-extension function that the context object is passed as an argument, but inside the lambda, it is available as a receiver this. The return value is a lambda result. We recommend width for calling the function on the context object without providing the lambda result in the code. Width can be read as a with this object do the following code. Let's see an example. For example, I have a list of numbers here. It is 1, 2, 3, and with number do the following code. We can say with this object do the following code. So we can access or the object as an argument of this, as a receiver this. As a receiver this, we can access this object, and we can say even though we pass the number as an argument, it is this, but we can access the number as a receiver this keyword, or we can use the access the member of it is member of or the member of this keyword using this, or it is an argument like we can access the first, like first number of this, or we can access the last number of last index or the last item of the list. We can access each and every function of these members without specifying it is number and again dot. For example, I have like numbers dot last name, but we don't need to specify that number dot last or the number dot first. I means like we can use this number methods directly with width, or we can read like with this object do the following code. Let's run the program and let's see. I have to call this width function here. I'm calling that here, and if I run the program right now, you will see it contains 3 elements, or this one, the first one, width is calling with argument 3. What is 3 here? Width is calling with argument 3. 3 is the last, or we can call this one. I don't need this, so I do only this. If I type the only this, I will get these 3 elements as an list, or like 1, 2, 3 as an array I will get. So we can get the size of these numbers here directly. Let's see one more example. Another use case for width is like introducing a helper object whose properties or functions will be used for calculating a value. For example, I want to store this width number like this, first and last. With numbers, same thing, just I want to store the first element and the last element inside the string. I want to calculate, and it returns the lambda result. It means this width, this number, with this object do the following code, and it will print, or it will calculate the first element of that, and it will get the last element, and it will concatenate with this string, and then after concatenation it will return that to the first and last string object. Now if I print this one, I will get the print of that elements. Now as you see here, the first element is 1, the last element is 3. The first one is 1, the last element is 3. We have the elements here. So that is it for this video, and see you soon on the next video.